This is my favorite everyday carry and travel wallet. This is the Pioneer Carry Division Billfold. The material that Pioneer uses in this wallet, called 10XD, is the best wallet material that I've ever seen. It's lightweight, strong, waterproof, along with a durable water repellent finish. It's soft and smooth to the touch, and it's slim to carry. When it arrives in the mail, it's in this nice branding and nice packaging, which I always appreciate. And it even comes with this nice protective nylon bag that you can reuse for something else. Nice. And to be honest, they just look great. I mean, look at this nice sleek finish on this fabric. They say it's even machine washable. Like, who throws their wallet in the washing machine? And I like it because it has just enough grip that you never drop it, it never slips out of your hand, but it's smooth enough that it goes in and out of your pocket with ease, even on jeans. Now there are a couple of other options as far as materials go, but they came out after I bought this, so I don't have an opinion on those yet. But they look nice, and I would check out the website to see which one you prefer. Now this one is in the classic billfold style. It has 3 card slots on either side, it has a hidden pocket behind the cards on either side, and it has a full length pocket for paper money and receipts. Now as you can see, I'm a little bit broke right now, but hey, here's a €5 bill from my last trip to Greece. You can get yourself a Freddo espresso. I love it because it's a clean, simple design. There are no money clips to get in the way, no flip out pockets, and no plastic windows that inevitably crack, discolor, or just get plain dirty. And I love the fact that it's RFID protected, especially now that the new enhanced driver's licenses here in the US have an RFID chip in them, much like our US passports. Speaking of passports, this is the matching passport wallet. It has a shaped pocket that fits one passport, a large pocket on the other side for things like boarding passes, receipts, and other documents, 2 divided card slots, and a large hidden pocket behind the passport where you can carry cash or other secret documents. And it's built with the same RFID protection as the billfold, which helps protect your passport from anyone who would try to get information from it as you walk by. Now this one is constructed from the same 10XD fabric that the billfold is made of, but it's also available in their 3XD fabric, which is more of a matte finish and available in more colors, as well as what they call their baby ballistic fabric, which is a satin finish of, you guessed it, ballistic nylon. And just like the billfold, it comes in nice premium packaging, as well as this nice nylon protective cover, which you can repurpose for something else. Now listen, I've gone through a lot of wallets. Cheaper wallets, more expensive wallets, designer wallets, and I'd say at the price point, I don't think this can be beat. This is easily my favorite everyday carry and travel wallet. It's certainly the most durable one that I've ever encountered, perhaps only at the expense of the name recognition and more classic styles of the designer wallets. And I'm someone who does appreciate nice designer wallets and passport holders, but they're just not as durable. My previous everyday carry and travel wallet was this Burberry set, and I still love the design, but as you can see, the wallet's fallen apart over the years. The primary material here, this thermoplastic polyurethane cotton blend that they call it, is still looking really good, as well as the leather on the inside for the most part. Rather, it's the stitching and the piping on the outside here that's not holding up well. The passport holder is still looking good, but I'm afraid to use it too much because I don't want it to suffer the same fate. And where I'm going with all this is that with the Pioneer wallets and passport holder, I have zero concern over using them day after day and throwing anything and everything at them. Now, there are a bunch of other styles and colors on the website, and it's hard to pick because they all look so good, but this one in minimalistic and sleek black ended up being my favorite. Pioneer now also has smaller card holders as well as larger organizational pouches for your tech, cables, toiletries, and other small, easy to lose everyday or travel items. I'm thinking that travel pouch is going to be the next thing I add to my collection, but it's a tough choice between this and the Peak Design Tech pouch. There are just so many great options out there these days for carry gear, and it's hard to pick because I like all of them. Anyway, as always, this video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. This is just my honest opinion and review of these products. If you're interested, now is a great time to pick one of these up because there's a Black Friday sale going on, and they make great gifts for your friends, family, or for yourself. I've taken these all over the place on my travels, and they've been working absolutely great, and I expect that they will for years to come. So head on over to their website, check it out, and see if there's anything you like. But anyway, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more photography, travel, tech, hiking, and everyday carry gear reviews like this one. I'll see you in the next one.